Hi, welcome to Jack TV. To all the viewers that are listening to me out there, to all the people that watching me, if you click on this video, your life could change. This video could change your life, because there was Jesus called me, put me in the spot, put me in a mission. Because if you know my background, I'm from Haiti. Haiti Marmelade. If you Google Haiti Marmelade, Marmelade spelled M-A-R-M-E-L-A-D-E. That's the hometown where the president came from. The president of Haiti, Preval. The president that's in power now in Haiti. If you're looking at the date of the video, this is the time I'm doing this video now. Right now it's 1 o'clock, 1:03 in the morning. This is the 22. It's already the 22nd of May. I'm doing this video. If you're watching this video, Jesus called me. He put me in a walk to walk, because I've been asking for it. Every time I pray, I usually say, Jesus, make me see things more clearly. Make me understand things more clearly. Use me. Put me to work. Because the way I see things going on around there, especially the way I see things was going on in Haiti, a place there where I come from, a place where I was born, a place where I see people live in poverty, a place where I see those people, they was leading to a direction. They leading to a direction where they were like, you know, like they have this thing called voodoo embraced them. There was, you know, around them, but there was among these other people, Christian people, that was, you know, always praying for this nation. I said, Jesus, put me to work. What can I do to help those people? If you're Asian, if you any nation out there, if you don't have Jesus in your life, this is the time for it. Don't waste no time, because Jesus is coming soon. Guys, Jesus called me, put me to work. He called me, and I see that I'm like, Jesus, you know, while I asked for this call, the way that I see the people, the children in Haiti that was leaving, some of them wake up, the mother, the father, they don't have the food to put on their table, you know, but they want better for their children. Sometimes they sacrifice their food money to put those children to school, in order for them to see those children could have a better life, because they know education, that's the only way those children will be out of that poverty thing that's going on around their life. So I was here since I traveled from Haiti since 1993 to Kenya, because there was this government things was going on. At that time, Aristide was in power. The thing was going on through all that type of thing that was going through Haiti. My father said that, hey guys, I mean, I don't see you guys here, because most of the time school closed for no reason, because of those chaos that's happening. So he tell us we must go. We must go. So since that time I travel here, but those image, those feeling, those things that I was going through in Haiti, that the thing that I see that's going through, I say, Jesus, what can I do? What can I do to help those people? Put me to work. I asked for it, but man, I'm telling you, it's not an easy work. The devil, want to get. I said, the devil, get out of my way. I pray, Jesus, I pray every single day. Get out of my way. Because those children, they kept in that captivity, they need to be in a position, a better place, be in a better world, be in a better environment. At that time, I go through so much. And I said, those kids have to be well educated. When I came over here, I'm experiencing all those things. I go to school and I see myself sitting in those classrooms getting education, but I'm still thinking about those children in Haiti. In my hometown, I say, man, what can they have that same education I'm having here? What can I do to get those kids this type of education? Since I graduated high school, I want to attend to college, say to be an architect, to be an engineer, civil engineer, so I could be able to build school, build all that type of thing, build church, so these kids could have better life, they could be educated. But I said, Jesus, put me to work. Give me the knowledge that I need. Give me the strength that I need. But it wasn't just for Haiti, guys. It's then that I was calling for the world. I was pointing to, I was in a mission. Since I see that thing that happened in Haiti, the earthquake, Jesus will turn it around. Now all eyes on Haiti. All eyes on Haiti for the better reconstruction. Education, change the education system to give those parents don't have to sacrifice their food money in order for them to send these kids to school to have education. The school system have to be changed. They have to go to school for free, be in a school for free, get food on the table. They don't have to struggle to get food on the table. And the parents could be working, get jobs in the country, get more things going on in the country, and preaching those people, the word of Jesus Christ, so they could have a better life. Stay tuned. I have more things to come for you guys.